Hi class, welcome to lesson 1 of ecology. I know that everything is different now and living environment will feel a little bit different when you're having your remote lessons, but I know that you can do this. When you have a remote lesson, you have to remember to watch the video, take notes, complete all the work in your Google form and submit it, and post pictures of your notes on Google Classroom. Your teacher is here to help you. So if you need some extra help, just find your teacher's office hours or email your teacher so you can connect and get the support we want to give you. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe how chloroplasts and mitochondria cell structures relate to energy transfer in ecosystems. Distinguish between producers, consumers, autotrophs, and heterotrophs. You should also be able to classify organisms as herbivores, omnivores, carnivores, decomposers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is pause this video and copy these notes. You'll want to complete these notes either by printing the guided notes in the Google form or simply writing this on a separate sheet of paper. Remember, after you complete this lesson, you're going to need to submit a picture of your notes. So we're starting a brand new unit called Ecology. Ecology is the study of how organisms interact with one another in the environment. And today, we're going to focus on how organisms interact to obtain energy. For many organisms, that means how do organisms eat? But we know that plants don't necessarily eat. So we're going to talk about how energy is transferred between organisms in an ecosystem. Energy is needed to carry out all life processes. All organisms must use energy to carry out life processes. In the beginning of the school year, we learned that biology is organized from small things to large things. So we learned that the smallest unit of life is called a cell. So here you can see that there's a plant cell and an animal cell pictured. Now a group of similar cells is called tissues. So here we have muscle tissue and leaf tissue. Tissues can form organs. Organs are units that carry out specific life functions. So here we have a heart and a leaf. The heart helps transport materials through an organism, and the leaf helps the plant produce energy by photosynthesis. Organs can work together in organ systems like the cardiovascular system, and organisms are composed of a set of various organ systems.